important MCQs from the chapter Mineral Nutrition. 1. An element playing important role in nitrogen fixation. A. Molybdenum, B. Copper, C. Manganese, D. Zinc. Answer option A. Molybdenum. Which one of the following elements in plants is not remobilized? Option A. Phosphorus, B. Calcium, C. Potassium, D. Sulfur. Answer option B. Calcium. Nitrifying bacteria. Option A. Oxidizes ammonia to nitrates. B. Convert free nitrogen to nitrogen compounds. C. Convert proteins into ammonia. D. Reduces nitrates to free nitrogen. Answer option A. Oxidize ammonia to nitrates. The function of leg hemoglobin in the root nodules of legumes. Option A. Inhibition of nitrogenase activity. B. Oxygen removal. C. Nodule differentiation. D. Expression of NIF gene. Answer option B. Oxygen removal. The first stable product of fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in leguminous plants is option A. NO3, B. Glutamate, C. NO2, D. Ammonia. Answer option D. Ammonia. Which one of the following microbes form symbiotic association with plants and helps them in their nutrition? A. Acetobacter, B. Aspergillus, C. Glomus, D. Trichoderma. Answer option C. Glomus.